Namaste. In today's video, I'm going to talk about transformation of dev agencies in today's post-AI era. And not just any kind of transformation, but 100x transformation. Okay. How can you achieve this leveraging the integrated ecosystem of your data, which exists everywhere? It's in your website, it's in your Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Notion, Jira, and all these places, wherever your data resides, including even emails within your team and with your customers. Second is your tools. Your tools are all the services you use. It's your Microsoft Teams, it's GitHub, Jira, Google Drive, and every service that your company uses. We are calling them all tools. Okay. Plus also AI, which could be different models that you use. Okay. With all of this, you have your agents. Agents are basically prompts which are created leveraging your data, leveraging tools, and leveraging different AI models and workflows. Now, what can you achieve if you have such a platform that you use where all your agents interconnected across your entire data and tooling ecosystem exist? And along with it, this platform exposes different interfaces. Here I've shown 5 interfaces through which you can achieve wonderful things in your company. And let me show you how. The first one is chat widget. Imagine that along with your agents, there's a ready-made chat widget which is ready to be plugged into any of your customers' projects or your own products also. So if you have something reusable like that, which is instantly embeddable, then imagine any of your customer, they come out with a requirement for an application or for a SaaS product. And one of their requirements is having an agentic chat within their product. You can instantly write those prompts out here, easily connect the tools in a few minutes, less than 1 hour, to get the first cut, and you can embed that as a JavaScript widget right into their application out of the box. Okay. Instant AI enabled chat into your customers or your websites and applications. Second benefit is if this platform is exposed via MCP protocol. Okay. This means that any other agent sitting somewhere else can use this protocol to call your agents and workflows. Okay. Now, all of these 4 examples here can start calling your agents. The first one is applications and second one is your SaaS services. So your own products and applications or your customers' products and applications can start using these agents as part of workflows within the products. For example, doing verification of documents, making decisions based on some inputs, and doing some other complex works for which you require AI as part of the workflow of this product. So your customers can instantly, without any code being written, straight away get these agentic and AI capabilities based on their data, their tools, their AI models, immediately live into their solutions. Means AI enabled solutions live again in maybe a matter of few minutes to few hours. Okay. And of course, I'm speaking figuratively. The few minutes and few hours you'll get the first cut, but you can iterate and fine tune it. Main thing being no coding will be required for most of the things. Now, this third is SDLC. Very critical piece for you. Of course, you are a dev agency, no? So in your SDLC, one, as every dev agency, you want to optimize your software development lifecycle where younger developers are more productive. You introduce less bugs in every cycle. You have full feature implementation and scope coverage without missing any features in any release and delivery to a customer. You follow all the compliance, security, and other such guardrails which your customer requires of you, plus your own standard guardrails as well, right? So every dev agency has a standardization within the company and customization for every customer and project. Now again, imagine that you have agents which are sitting out here in the platform with all the guardrails, compliance checks, security rules, coding practices, any other requirements that your customer really wants in their project, plus standard processes of how do you create from a scope of a customer's requirements, how do you from the scope move to creating issues on GitHub, and from once the issues on GitHub are created, from there, how do each one of your developers create merge requests? There can be a standard process. For example, every merge request and every release that you make must have code reviews, which are already done, must have test automation, which is already implemented, so that you give 100% tested product with every particular release. And this is a shift left process. That means every single developer, whatever they are shipping, the developer himself or herself, with the help of these agents and workflows, given you a standardized output across your dev agency. This means imagine the kind of standardization you can achieve in your company. And the second benefit is the productivity you can get from even the younger engineers, because most of these workflows that you have defined out there and these agents are doing most of the mundane job for every engineer. All a developer has to do is just learn and understand what is being done. And that ways the younger developers can be empowered much faster. And you have guardrails in process, like I discussed. Their output is also consistent and of good quality without feature misses. What this means for you as a dev agency, you solve your hiring problem. Talent bar. Earlier you had very high requirement of talent. Now it's a bit eased. This means your budget is also eased, because you can get more output from younger engineers. They can deliver faster. So your margins have also increased with budget is reduced. Your cost is reduced. You can pass these benefits to your customers as well. And then thirdly, your customers are happier because every delivery is a good quality delivery and there are no surprises or shocks for your customer or for you. That means a happy development agency and a team and happy customers. Okay. So transform your SDLC by putting all your organizational mind out here and your customer's mind. Then the next thing is third-party tools. Okay. Now imagine that other people and businesses on internet are using some of the agents you have created, and these agents are serving them some value, right? So they are calling your agents. They could even be paying you for these agents, right? You could be making money by giving agent as a service. And as well, not just for money, even your own third-party tools. Somewhere some other clients like a VS Code extension in SDLC, which could even be, for example, Godspeed Sarthi or Claude Desktop or such tools. Via MCP, they are calling you agents. Similarly, even other third-party services for various diverse reasons could be calling your agents, right? You quickly make agents, use them everywhere. Next use is dashboard. Imagine you have a platform, whichever platform you choose, it gives you a dashboard also, where your team, which is content team, outbound marketing team, HR team, ops team, project management team, other teams, all your internal work, this team is able to define agents and workflows in natural language very easily on top of your data and tools, and they are much more effective, coordinated, and synchronized in the way things get done. For example, based on your website and your sales deck and all of these other documents fed into your data, into your agents, your content for your landing pages, for your campaigns, for social media posts can be easily generated. Your emails for outreach campaigns can be easily generated and automated, right? And also other works that you do across your teams, right? Next benefit of dashboard is beautiful benefit which will come out from this is ask me anything for your team. Your team, anyone in your team, based on their roles, their access, they can ask any question of what's happening in the company right now. Instead of calling somebody, trying to reach them, getting updates from so many people, you as a CEO of the dev agency, as a project manager in the dev agency, you can right away go and ask what's happening in this project. What is happening on the delivery? How happy is my client? All such questions can be answered right away if your team follows a process and culture of keeping your data up to date in whatever data sources you use. Okay. Next is chat on your website. Your dev agency's website can have a chat which serves two purposes. Number one is inbound leads. Whenever inbound leads come, they can ask any question about your dev agency. Like, tell me about your projects. Have you ever done SOC compliance, SOC 2 compliance based projects? Have you ever implemented GDPR? I can just ask these questions, what kind of billing and budgeting rates do you do? What kind of models do you work on? Many of these questions can straight away be answered from your website right away to build that trust that you are a very strong AI native company, right? And you are giving instant transparency to your customer, which will not only exist when they are a lead, which will also continue when they convert to customer support, right? When these customers convert to your actual customers, the same website chat can be used by them in the remaining part of the customer's life cycle. That means during the course of a project, even customer can ask any question, what's happening on the project? Where are we on the delivery timelines? Give me code review reports of the latest release. Give me test case report of the latest release. He doesn't have to call a project manager. He'll ask your agents or your chat on the website. Then another thing which really helps with your inbound leads and building your customers' confidence is your profiles and digital twins. These agents, imagine if all your employees of the company, all projects they have worked, their work style of work, their technical skills, and all relevant information about them exists in this data, and everyone has a digital twin. So when you pitch a project to a customer and you send your team that, hey, I have these 5 people or 4 people that I'm going to deploy on a project, you just don't send resumes, right? You send their digital twins so that customer can ask any deep questions from all of these 5 people. And even before meeting them, talking to them for first time or interviewing them, your customer has already known a lot about your team and why you selected this team for them. So all of this now together into your ecosystem, revolutionizing how you build agentic applications, how you embed chats within applications, revolutionizing your software development lifecycle, revolutionizing how your third-party components or other third-party components can access your agents, your IP you create, plus revolutionizing how your teams do internal work, revolutionizing how instant access and transparency exists across your company, revolutionizing how your inbound leads experience becoming your customers and later getting a support as a customer. By doing all of this, not only are you making a happier customer base, not only are you making a happier team, you are also increasing your margins, your sales pipeline conversion, and you will be really thriving as a dev agency. And by the way, if you're really interested in having this platform, which you should be, right? Really go out and figure out all different options that exist. But you have already one option. We as Godspeed exist to solve this problem for dev agencies. You can use Chaitanya, which is this platform coming up soon by Godspeed. And you can use Sarthi for your software development lifecycle. And all of this will come with a ready-made chat widget. It will be exposed via MCP protocol. You will get a dashboard. You will be able to embed a chat with your websites, and Chaitanya and Godspeed ecosystem will also give profiles and digital twins of all your employees. With Godspeed, you'll get all of this out of box and at a no-brainer costing. So if you are interested, you can contact me. But nonetheless, I hope this information was useful for you and it gives you a vision of how you can have 100x transformation of your dev agency in 2025 itself. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Best wishes to you. Namaste.